Yo, what's up? It's Dave Gambrell from Digital Marketing Mentorship and the Unleash the Awesome podcast. Two things you should probably check out if you haven't seen already or been a part of. And one of them is super important, the Unleash the Awesome podcast, because what I'm about to talk to you about actually just did an interview with one of the people we're going to discuss here in a second. So if you're somebody that knows that a digital course or monetizing online content, some kind of digital asset can help you with your freedom and flexibility in your business and your life, then you want to pay attention. If that's not something you're interested in at all, you could just tune out right now. You don't need to pay attention. But I wanted to make sure those of you that are interested in selling information online, monetizing your expertise online, getting a digital product, specifically a course online, there are two things overlapping right now that is like the planet's coming into alignment for you. It's crazy that these two things are happening simultaneously, and I want to make sure you're aware of them, because if you take advantage of them, you can really start to double down on finally getting your course out there and building your email list and your audience in the process. So there's two things that are happening. Let me get these things off the screen, and then I'll share my screen with you so you can see it. The first one is my friend, Amy Porterfield, who is just on an episode of the Unleash the Awesome podcast, has this wonderful thing going on right now. Let me see if I can share it with you. There you go. She's a bootcamp, and you can register now. You'll see the countdown timer at the top there, but it's called Course Confident. Here, let me make the screen a little smaller so you can see it there. 5-day bootcamp with Amy Porterfield starts, I believe, August 30th. I'll scroll down on the screen here so you can see it in a second. But what I want you to look at right over my shoulder there, here, I'll move myself over here. If you look right here, it's only $47 a month. That is unheard of. Most of the stuff to work with Amy is thousands of dollars. She's doing this thing that is only $47. So I want to make sure you're aware of that, because she's never done anything like this before. I'm not sure when she's going to do anything like this again, and this is the lowest price I've ever seen her put anything out there for. So she's got this 5-day boot camp coming up. Let me scroll down on the screen so you can see it. And you can go read all this yourself. I'll make sure the link is wherever you happen to be watching this, but it's gambrell.com/Amy2022. It'll take you right here, and you're going to see the format that she has set up for you, the calendar. It starts August 30th, and then it runs for a couple of days. Yes, you're going to have off Labor Day weekend here in the United States, and then she's got some other stuff happening there. And she's got a lot of bonuses and stuff that are going to happen. But here's what I want you to pay the most attention to by the end of this, right? So if you invest your $47 and you enroll and you decide that this is something that you want to do, by the end of this experience with her, you're going to have one digital course topic that lights you up and supports your revenue goals, the confidence of knowing what you'll teach, how much to charge, a course-focused lead magnet to help you build your email list, lots of behind-the-scenes examples, screenshots, launch details, and all kinds of other stuff, and a can-do course creator's mindset, which is critical if you want to do this and be successful. She's got all kinds of bonuses, how to recession-proof your business with one digital course. Very amazing. My business actually grew almost exponentially over the last couple of years, and it continues to grow because of monetizing digital assets. She's a pop-up Facebook group you're going to get access to, replay, all this other stuff. So again, if you go to gambrell.com/Amy2022, you'll be able to get access to this, but registration, again, is ending very soon. Okay, so make sure you go check that out. All right, the second thing I want to talk to you, right, is Amy is really good at teaching you the skill set and the mindset. She's going to spend a lot of time on mindset, because you got to get your mindset right. But she's going to teach you the skill set too. But then what you need is a tool set. You need somewhere to host this thing. And this is why this is so amazing to me that these two things are overlapping, because right now, if you go to gambrell.com/Kajabi, 3 for $99, I'll put it, again, a link wherever you happen to be watching this, you can get access to Kajabi, which is the platform that both Amy and I use to host our courses, most of our stuff. I run about 95% of my business on Kajabi. I build my email list on there, all that stuff. You can get access to that platform for 3 months for a total of $99. So essentially $33 a month. That's unheard of. So you're going to be able to put your course on there. So you're going to learn all that stuff from Amy about how to build a course, how to build a lead magnet, how to do all this stuff. And then you can put it right here on Kajabi, and you'll have 90 days essentially to do it for only $99, which is crazy. So for $146, $47 to Amy and all the expertise she's going to give you on the mindset and the skill set, and $99 to Kajabi, you could be building your course online in a matter of days and getting it going. And I can already hear some of you saying, but Dave, once this deal is over, then what? Don't I have to pay the monthly rate? Yeah, but if you're running a business and you're monetizing your business, you'll have revenue coming in from your course that will offset the investments in the tools that you'll need for your business. You'll see here, there's a countdown timer going on too. So this ends, I think a day after Amy's thing, enrollment for Amy's thing ends. So here's all the stuff you're going to get. You can go to the screen and check it out. Again, I will put this, wherever you happen to be watching this, I'll put a link for it. And the only way that these two things are happening like this simultaneously, and that I can offer them to you, is that I am an affiliate partner or joint venture partner with both Amy and Kajabi. So they're allowing me to share these incredible offers with you. Again, limited time. If you want to jump on this, go take care of it. Make it happen sooner rather than later. You do not want to miss this, right? The combination of these two things will superpower your business. So if you've ever thought about monetizing your message online and you're just not sure where to get started, you need a little guidance, you want a little hand holding, you could go work with Amy and some of the other stuff she does that is literally thousands of dollars, or you can jump on this bootcamp where it's $47. You're going to get a ton of access to her, unprecedented, right? I had a conversation with her the other day on my podcast, Unleash the Awesome, if you want to go listen to it. I forget what episode, I think it's episode 101, where we talked for about 40 minutes about the mistakes people make when they're building their business online, what to avoid, the things you should be doing, all that stuff. So if you want to go check that out, you can go listen to that. But don't miss your chance to do this, because you're going to be kicking yourself if a few days from now, when registration is closed for both these things, you're like, I wish I did this. I wish I made that happen, right? The kids are going back to school right now. It's a good time for you to go back to school. Go back to school, learn some stuff from Amy, get your stuff going on Kajabi, finally get that course going. Because I'm telling you, there is nothing more satisfying or like more freedom, like feels like freedom to me, and probably will happen to you, is when you create something and you put it online, a digital product, which by the way has really fat margins, meaning you keep, there's a lot of profit there. So you put a digital product online, you help people, you start making an incredible, massive impact, because you can reach people that you can't reach in your own community. You don't have to get on a plane to travel somewhere. You don't have to be in a classroom teaching. You can make an impact literally all over the world, and people can buy this thing while you're asleep. They could buy this thing while you're on vacation or laying on the beach or grocery shopping or out with your family or whatever. You could be doing a million other things while you are making an impact and an income, because you have monetized your expertise, you monetized your message, you've gotten that online through a digital course. It is a thing that got me free from corporate America. If you want to go listen to the conversation I had with Amy, it's a thing that got her free from corporate America. It's gotten lots of people free from their 9 to 5, wherever they happen to be in the world, whether it's America or someplace else. And if you want that too, then do not miss these things. Because listen, here's the opportunity cost. If you were to miss these things, if you wait and you miss the enrollment at these things, your next opportunity to work with Amy is going to be $2,000. And your next opportunity to do Kajabi is going to be roughly, if you go with the growth plan, like $125 to $150 a month. So that alone is going to cost you that, plus the $2,000 for work with Amy. Or you can go jump on Amy's Bootcamp right now for $47. You can get 3 months of access to Kajabi for $99. If you follow what she's telling you to do, and by the way, I didn't mention this, you're going to get bonuses from me too, and use my affiliate link for Kajabi. I'm automatically going to send you stuff. You're going to get access to office hours that I do twice a month. You'll get access to those into October. So you can just pop in on a live Zoom call that I have and ask me questions about any of the stuff you want as it relates to building your business. And if you opt for the growth plan on the Kajabi thing, which is the one that it defaults to, Brendan Burchard does a thing for the Kajabi community at the first of every month. So you'll be able to get access to him in September and October, and I guess November at this point, right? If you go and jump on that plan now, right? And you'll get access to him moving forward when you stay with the platform. But you'll get access to him and his expertise, Amy and her expertise, me and my expertise. We'll teach you all about mindset, skill set, tool set. You're bound to run into situations or have questions along the way. That's why I'm providing the support through the office hours. I don't know what else you need at a lower price point besides free. And I stopped doing free because I know that people who pay attention. So if you're not willing to invest $47 in trying to figure this out, or $99 or $146 total in trying to figure this out, I don't know that you really want to figure it out, right? Because this is such a crazy opportunity that I don't know why you would pass this up. I know this question will come up too. The Kajabi deal is only for new customers. So if you've ever been a customer of Kajabi, you cannot register with them using the same email address you did last time. So it's for new customers only. Okay, hope that served you. If you have any questions or comments, put them below or wherever you happen to be watching this. I'll get to them when I can. But instead of asking questions, you should go take action and jump on these things, because you do not want to miss them. See you later.